WrestleMania Sunday 2019, April 7th, 2019, today. And if you're a pro wrestling fan, it's like Christmas right now. And all week, for that matter. Because if you think of WrestleMania and how far it came along from early stages, like the late 80s and the early 90s, up until literally a few years ago, where now WrestleMania is literally like a whole week. They got the fan access going on. Any other indie organizations around this time of the year really get to shine as well, because it's wrestling season, so to speak. It's like everybody's in that spirit, that pro wrestling spirit, and everybody eats off of this 1 week of WrestleMania. But there was one particular event over this week that I attended, and it was off the charts. It was just insane. And it was the Busted Open Radio 10-year anniversary party live at Habanero Blues in New York City. As we all know, WrestleMania is in New Jersey, but all the other festivities, such as the Hall of Fame, NXT, they were in Brooklyn. So it's probably like, I guess, co-cities. Two cities are hosting Mania this year, New Jersey, New York. But nevertheless, Busted Open Radio, they've been in business right now 10 years and going strong, probably stronger than ever right now. And Dave LaGreca, Mark Henry, Bully Ray, they really taken this radio show and turned it into what it is today, and it's great, man. It's excellent. They got everybody all over the globe listening to Busted Open, literally somehow getting into the Sirius XM frequencies and listening to this, and it was just packed. And I have live footage from there. I was there, I interviewed a couple people about Mania. There was some celebrities there, David Arquette, Jim Ross, Pat McAfee. I mean, the list goes on. Bully Ray was obviously there. He had to leave early because of the G1 Supercard, which is a story for another day, what happened last night. But on top of that also, I mean, we've seen other guys. Tommy Dreamer was in attendance. The whole Busted Open crew. Violetta LaGreca. And listen, Dave, I'm sorry, but her pierogies, your wife's pierogies, were out of this world. I had one. They were passing it around. It was amazing. It was a great experience. You had to be there. It was just electrifying, and I got live footage, and I want to show you, courtesy of yesterday at Habanero Blues, the footage of this Busted Open radio party, the 10-year anniversary. So we're going to roll it right now. You're going to see a mix of things between me interviewing people and just the show itself, and some impersonations as well. So you're going to enjoy this, guys, and give me some feedback. Leave it right below. And if you're wondering also what you're viewing right here and what this channel is, this is Take It Home TV, and we ring that bell and wrap up each and every week in pro wrestling. And I am this ruggedly handsome individual with these melodious tones piping through your speakerphone is your host, the host that delivers the most, Jimmy J. And now that I got myself over, well, we're about to get underway, and we're about to get over the crew of Busted Open Radio and all the fans that attended. Take a look. MSG Garden over here. The Ring of Honor Supercard, New Japan G1 Supercard, taking place tonight. So one hell of a show. History in the making. We're live here, Busted Open Radio party at Habanero Blues. Jimmy J here. Going down the crowd, see what's going on. What's up, buddy? Mind if I get an interview? What's your name, bud?
Dave.
Dave, what's going on, man? You here for the party over here, Busting Open?
Yeah.
For Mania? What are you looking forward to more than anything?
Oh, it was last night. It was NXT.
NXT, baby. How was the show?
It was amazing.
Excellent.
Always. You know, they set the bar high, and then the rest of the weekend is kind of underwhelming.
I mean, what do you think of Mania?
Looking forward to it, though. Be my first Mania.
First Mania?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Originally Columbus, Ohio. I love Philly now.
Philly?
Yeah.
Philly, excellent, man. I love Philly. Cheesesteaks, Geno's, or Pat's?
I like Jim's.
Jim's, something different. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. You know where it's from, man.
Yes, sir.
Quick question. At Mania, what is your match you're looking forward to most?
Oh, the women's triple threat. Definitely.
Absolutely. Who do you got?
Oh, Becky Lynch.
Becky Lynch, baby.
Yeah.
We're talking about anything you want to say?
Just, no, it's a great weekend. And looking forward to tomorrow night.
Excellent, man. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, man. Going around. All right, we're moving around here. What's up, buddy? What's your name?
This guy.
I'm Andrew.
Andrew, what are you here for, man? What are you for more than anything?
I'm here for the entire weekend. For NXT last night, Access today, Busted Open this afternoon, and then WrestleMania tomorrow.
So Mania, I gotta ask you, what match are you looking forward to more than anything right now?
I mean, it's got to be the main event, the women's triple threat match. It's a history-making main event. Probably won't ever see anything like it ever again.
I agree with you. Who do you got in that match?
Gotta go with the man, Becky Lynch.
The man, Becky Lynch. That's another one for the man right here. So you enjoying Busted Open?
Oh, I love Busted Open. Dave LaGreca, Mark Henry, Bully Ray, they're doing a fantastic job, and they're doing great for their 10-year anniversary show.
Excellent. Andrew, quick question. Where you from?
I'm from Philly.
Philly, my man from Philly. Rocky, come on, baby. That's what we're talking about here. So we're over here live in the crowd. Thank you, Andrew. Appreciate it. Any last thoughts?
Johnny Gargano, he deserved it. Great to see that moment last night with him winning the championship.
Thanks, Andrew. Appreciate it, brother. Keep it moving. Keep it moving down over here. We got it down over here. Let's go. Anybody else? Busted Open radio party going down right here, guys. Wait a minute. He's a Paul Heyman guy. I gotta ask this guy right here. He's Paul Heyman. What's up, buddy? What's your name?
What's going on? Sonny.
Sonny's over here right now. So what are you here for, Sonny? Mainly?
Just hanging out, Busted Open party, went to WrestleCon, going to Mania tomorrow.
Mania?
Weekend. Yeah, man.
So who do you got on Mania? What's your match you're looking forward to most?
I imagine just going, have a good time, and enjoy it. I really want to see AJ and Randy go at it, because that's going to be a phenomenal match, no pun intended, phenomenal match. And then I'm actually kind of looking, the main event has grown on me. Even though it's been a long, drawn-out process, it's grown on me, and I'm actually ready to see the ladies go out in the main event and tear the house down, hopefully.
Oh, man, I'm looking forward to that match as well, and especially the women's match. And speaking of the women's match, who do you have in that match? Who are you rooting for? Because all three ladies have really been proving themselves week in and week out. So who do you got?
My heart says Becky. My mind, thinking like Vince, says Ronda or Charlotte. So I don't know. I'm rooting for Becky. I'm going to wear my shirt that says the man tomorrow. I'm going to be in her corner. But I don't know if it's going to be the man or the machine that comes out of it with the belt.
Excellent. Thank you so much for being here, man. Enjoy your time, man.
Yeah,
no problem, man. We're keeping it moving down here. Busted Open. Busted Open live party over here. What's up, brother? What's going on, guys? Oh, yeah, baby. Habanero Blues. We're talking Busted Open live, baby. Live, baby, live. Let's go. Coming downstairs. We're going to make our way downstairs into the crowd right now. Dave LaGreca here. WrestleMania's New Jersey, not New York, baby. What's up, man? We got the crowd over here.
To the G1 Supercars. Everybody, give it up.
Yeah. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Bully Ray over here. He's heading over to G1 Supercard at MSG, blocks away. Yeah. Let's go, Bully. See you there. See you there. See you there.
This might be my last time, and if it is my last time,
no, it's not.
Good. It's been a hell of a run. I'm just proud of Ring of Honor. I'm proud of New Japan, and thank you very much because I know
Let's go, Bully.
deep down in your heart, really
That
hate
footage,
me,
man. Gordy, what's up? Ready to rumble? David Arquette is here. That's what I'm talking about. David Arquette and Billy's bananas at Habanero Blues.
So I figure this would be a good opportunity, since this is a celebration of 10 years of Busted Open, that David Arquette can cut one of his promos on you as Randy Macho Man Savage.
let's fucking do it.
If you both could stand and go face to face and David Arquette, former world champion, against Randy Macho Man Savage.
You're doing it? Yeah. There's only one real heavyweight champion.
Oh, shit.
I'm talking about the Macho Man Randy Savage. Yeah. Ain't no gimmicks in this house. Only habaneros and real champions. Yeah.
don't know what this is. I just went to Lonnie last night. I feel like with the size differential, I could just do Andre too. I'm Kurt. You're not. I'm not your friend. I'm a champion. I am a bit alcoholic.
Come on, David, you're a former world champ. People have been disrespecting you. All right, they're telling you shouldn't be in the ring. They're telling you to get away from pro. They're saying no more death matches. Wrestlemania you're better than that. It's in New Jersey. That's where Wrestlemania
Stay down. It smells worse than my bathroom. New Jersey smells like shit.
There's a lot of great things that come out of New Jersey. I'm just I mean, there's a strip club called Lookers down there. New Jersey is like
Lookers, dude, and food, man. You can't beat it.
I love New Jersey. You said you want to be shitting on Jersey. No.
I mean, it's also a home of toxic addiction.
That's true too.
You know, they have a superhero there.
And good crazy ex-girlfriend for mine. Wow. Crazy ex-girlfriend.
So there's a super villain.
Yeah, that's how they get in. Super hot and they go fucking nuts. Jersey does that.
Jersey has a hot girl.
So David, now you're here in front of the Busted Open Nation. Everybody's looking at these are the hardcore pro wrestling hardcore Busted Open Nation members. So, you know, like you have gotten a lot of flack, which really pisses me off. You know what I'm big fan of? You have a passion and love for pro wrestling. You're a mainstream star. I think that's good for pro wrestling. So, like, when you hear the negative, and I'm sure you hear it from both sides. You hear it from the wrestling fans, and then you hear it from actors and the Hollywood scene. What is that like for you?
I don't know. It's like, I don't know. Hollywood doesn't get wrestling so much. And, I don't know. I feel like Hollywood will just get me so much.
David, I have this reoccurring thing that keeps coming up with these smart-ass people. The smarter the people that you're getting relationships with and get in contact with, they want to show their education, the level of understanding, if you will. And in pro wrestling, it negates your education. It negates a lot of what makes you considered to be smart. Because people think if you put in the wool over their eyes, you've been looking under a rock, they said wrestling is not real, and all of this kind of stuff. So these people, they take their chance of pissing your conflicts. So I don't really listen to that because I've traveled this world. I've been to every landmass except for the North Pole, South Pole, and Antarctica. And when they start doing wrestling in those fucking places, I will be there because I'm a fan of it. I don't expect for the people to understand what we are.
What?
You know, I was the kid that actually watched Andre tried to reach out and touch him and fell to the ground, and he picked me up and put me on the other side of the barricade. Like I watched Savage. I watched all these guys as a kid that made me want to be a pro wrestler, but I never knew that that was even possible. So exposure is the key in our business. The more you're exposed to the different styles, because you know, people say you shit about those death matches. Hey, if that throws your boat, ride the shit out of it. Right? That's what wrestling gives you. Wrestling gives people stuff. It never takes away. So, I mean, I'm just saying, like, why let these people get under your skin and for all the people that are listening, and they're with their significant other, or their girlfriend, boyfriend, you know, like shoot, whatever you like it. I'm just saying, if the person sitting next to you loves wrestling, what's your mind?
Yeah!
Shits on me for like in wrestling.
He's like, you really like wrestling?
Yeah.
I was like, I'm gonna have to find something that you like that I can
And I was like, let me enjoy my performance. And you can enjoy your fucking bullshit. I'm like,
don't tell me AJ Styles ain't the shit. But you know, like, I did a radio show in Austin, Texas. And this guy said, you guys can run with it. What up, man? So, I'm doing this
I understand if you don't like it or whatever, but like she has to fucking like say a fucking comment like, oh, you're just watching
about women wrestling, and I was like, okay, hold on a second. I'm gonna try my best not to cuss. I don't want to ever not be able to come on this radio show.
Like Steve and I say like she has to make it a fucking point of like, but like she has to make it a fucking point of like, oh, you're just watching it because of like how the girls are dressed and shit, and oh, this is fake, and like yes, like most of the women look good, yes, but like.
The NBA combined. Yeah. 1 billion followers.
Yeah, give a round of applause.
They're trying to shit on the women wrestling thing. It's like the WWE
why do you shit on the stuff that I watch? Like I don't shit on the person that you watch. Let me enjoy my
WNBA's pack out for the last part game.
the Real Housewives.
And not only that,
like,
but
yeah, I don't like that shit. Like, I don't say anything.
Yeah. You know, our women wrestlers are actually the best thing on our show right there.
Yeah, women wrestling. Yeah. Let's go.
And I've told a couple of guys, I was like, hey, y'all better up y'all game. Yeah. Because the stuff that I've been more interested in has been Oscar, has been Charlotte, has been Becky.
Yeah, let's go, baby.
And don't think for 1 second that the Baileys and Nias and Taminas and Naomi, there are at least 10 girls beneath those top 6 girls that we're not talking about. That they're going to have to start bumping the dudes off the show to put those women on the show. Because they don't get their shit together.
Well, Dan, thank you so much for joining the show. 1A and 1B.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. David LaGreca here. David Arquette over there. Mark Henry. I forgot this guy's name, but one hell of an impersonation of a superstar.
I appreciate you coming, man. I almost killed me. One of my favorite, man. Mark Henry, one of the best of all time, man.
And David Arquette, man, one of the most underappreciated people in Hollywood.
Let's go, David. Let's go.
When we come back, Jim Ross.
Yeah! Jim Ross is here too. I know. I'm ready. Jim Ross, we seen him at a live show. Jim, welcome back. Welcome back to the show, buddy. There he goes. Jim Ross, we just seen him live over there at the Gotham Comedy Club. Jim Ross is here.
Everybody get along, everybody be entertained, and there's nobody fussing and fighting over how many people that showed up, because everybody in town pretty much is here to see wrestling of some sort. It's just like one place is full, this place is full, the garden is about to be full, the Barclays is going to be full. MetLife Stadium is going to be full. So I mean, it's a real time for pro wrestling right now.
That's right.
Reverend Mark Henry has stuff that was wrong.
Well, sometimes, Jim, you gotta put your foot down. One right in front of the other. If you want to get where you're going.
Sorry.
You started it.
Now, Jay, I'm so glad that you're a part of our show, because, and I've said this to you personally, but I definitely want to say it now that we're live on the air in front of the hardcore Busted Open Nation members. You have been such a godsend to this show. You've been a big supporter of Busted Open since day one. You've been one of our best guests, so I could not have this 10-year celebration without you, Jay.
Yeah!
well, we all are.
All right, Jim.
So I am in full support of any entity that promotes our business. That's why I'm not a big, I don't have a lot of negative energy to put into somebody else's failures. I choose, a long time ago, not that long ago actually, unfortunately, I decided not to leave my house with any more negative baggage in my carry-on. So my carry-on, when I leave Norman, is clean.
Yeah.
So that's what Mark said about everybody getting along. It's amazing how big the business could be if everybody just put their egos aside and put the fans first. Put your marketing focus, your customers first. It's a unique concept.
It is. It is. It was a great concept, but you know, it's like it's something that's got to be taught because there's so many people that we know that feel like the fan base belongs to them. This is my fan base, rather than being our wrestling. You know, so I mean, to the fans, it's our wrestling. Every wrestling brand in the world. But some people look at wrestling as being, this is my audience, and I want to control it. I don't want to control the audience. I want the audience to help me dictate what's popular, what's good, so that we can battle together and we can
you know, I don't think anybody would have blamed you if you decided to stay on one and, you know, just move away from the world of pro wrestling. But I'm so glad that you came back to it and you embraced it again. Because now you're going to be a part of AEW and I mean, this is a whole new world, but it's a cool world. People are excited about it, and I'm so glad that you're going to be a big part.
I'm too, Dave. I'm lucky. I got a hot tag, but I thought the match was pretty much over. And you know, last year, Vince was really great for me. He has been great all 26 years. The last couple of years, I had a really huge contract to do nothing. And it sounds good on paper. It sounds like you say, well, I love that deal. When you're 67 and you've been an alpha male all your life, you've been on top of your game and in the hunt, it's not that easy. And I didn't want somebody else telling me, JR, you're done. JR will tell you when JR is done.
Let's go!
So that's my story. When I leaving WWE was not out of anger. How can I be angry at somebody that made me rich? Seriously. I've been lucky, man. I've been so lucky to make this money in wrestling I never thought I'd even see. Much less have at my possession. And now this is bigger than I could ever imagine. So I'm a blessed guy. And I'm doing what I love to do, and to me that's not work. So we're going to have to go to this new venture and see where it goes. If they put a product on the screen that's compelling, I'll give them a compelling call.
There you go! Let's go! Now that I believe that and know it to be fact, I look forward to hearing it again. Obviously, I'm a new fan of New Japan over the last 2 years now, and I've got a chance to hear you call guys and being on this show, all the prep for it. I mean, I watch every week, roughly around 10 hours of wrestling, because I have to be able to have an educated guess on what I'm talking about. And knowing all these new guys, like you've seen guys in Japan, you've seen guys on the indie scene as well, like now you'll be able to report on these guys, not just from what you see at AEW, but you saw them first before they got to AEW. So you know the history of these guys. Is there something that you would add to that?
I've always liked you, Mark, Dave, especially Dave. I can't ever get enough. And when you find yourself in an empty house, kind of the widower thing, empty nest deal, you know, I have to run to what made me comfortable. I have to go to my sanctuary and to those loving arms of something. Because it wasn't football season, I ran immediately to my business. It's been a part of my life, most of my life. So that was the only place to go. I went home, and now the folks, the Khan family, believe that I have enough gas in the tank to cut the chase, man. I'm 67 years old. Do you think I can cut it, or can I not cut it? What do you think?
The greatest voice in the history of the sport.
Yeah, that's right, that's right. Jim Ross.
Jim Ross, thank you so much for That's right, in Jersey. I'll be there too.
And I gotta sit down.
All right. I love it. The two of the greatest. JR, thank you so much. When we come back, another special dance.
Another. That's what I'm talking about. 10 years. Drinking those daddy sodas, they look like it is. Going to the crowd here at Habanero Blues. We're going to interview some people real quick. What's up? What's up, guys? How you doing? What's your name, brother?
Ryan.
Ryan, what are you here for mainly?
Just a party and a good time, celebrating 10 years of Busted Open.
Busted Open 10-year anniversary. Listen, I got to ask you, Wrestlemania, obviously tomorrow. What match are you looking forward to more than anything?
The man, Becky Lynch, bro.
That's who you're going for, man?
I got to pull for the man.
You think she gonna pull through with it? Think she get that W?
Think she can pull it off?
She got it, man. My man Ryan over here says Becky got it. Any last thoughts? That's right, Becky.
Becky all the way.
That's right, baby. Ryan got it. We're gonna keep it moving here. Thank you, Ryan. Appreciate it, man. You too. Keep it over here, guys. We're coming through the Busted Open Nation. What's going on? What's up, guys? How you doing? Yeah, baby. Who we got over here?
Jerry from Richmond.
Jerry from where?
Richmond.
Richmond. Jerry, what are you here for mainly?
What's that?
What are you here for mainly? Mania?
I am mainly here for the experience, for the good time with all the fans of wrestling, no matter what fad they endorse.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. Wrestling fans in general. Mania's tomorrow. Yes. What match are you looking forward to more than anything?
I'm looking forward to, I gotta say, Seth Rollins and Brock.
Seth Rollins and Brock. Who do you got in that match?
While everybody wants Seth to go over, I think Brock is going to do it.
Listen, question I got. Do you think it's a good idea for them to unify the belts and have one world champion on both shows?
As far as the women or the men go?
All around, man. All around. Women
all around?
Yeah.
If you're going to make each show their own individual show, then it should be that. But with them having the women's triple threat, they've thrown that out the door. So now all cards are off the table. So if you're going to mix it up, one champion, no matter whether it's world or tag team or what it is.
I agree 100%. Who do you got? Becky, Ronda, or Charlotte?
I'm going to go with Becky.
Becky Lynch. Another one with Becky. Thanks, brother. I appreciate the time, man. Enjoy. Jimmy J. We're looking at the Uptown. Mark Henry, he's pointed up. There it is. There it is. Busted Open Nation. Let's go. Sexual chocolate, baby. Busted Open, baby. We're here. We're live, baby. We're live. That's right. Busted Open Radio. Let's go. Yo, let's go. Getting back on the air right now. Oh, hey, my man. Live here. It's going bananas over here. Crowd is going wild. Busted Open Radio 10-year anniversary. Almost towards the end of it. Man, Mark Henry and Dave LaGreca doing their thing right now. Bully Ray's already in MSG for the Ring of Honor Supercard.
Busted Open Nation!
That's it, baby! Yeah!
And I like that picture right there because it's now time for our next guest. This is one of your favorites, Mark. This is one of your favorites.
Who's coming out now?
Oh my God! And he looks fun! And he looks fun!
There he goes. Pat McAfee's here. Pat McAfee's rolling in there. Pat McAfee. We got a lineup today, boy.
So I got there we go. Nice shirt for Pat.
Okay, man, get the merch, buy the merch.
Shoot guns on.
And you know, and Mark, I gotta do this. I gotta give a big thank you to Pat McAfee. And this is why I love Pat. I actually extended an invitation to somebody who you work with very closely who did not show up. And that was Sam.
I can't believe Sam Roberts would do that to you.
I can't believe it. I love Sam.
That's terrorist stuff,
And you want to know something, Pat? I hope you give him shit when you see him later.
Well, I mean, it's kind of a natural reaction whenever you look at Sam Roberts' face to give him shit. But now that he's the sports entertainment, radio shows, 10-year anniversary, I think he's crossed the line that we can never come back.
Well, Pat, let me just stop you right there. I understand that you have to say the term sports entertainment, but here on Busted Open, we sit here.
Yeah, I mean, you guys are rich already. Sports entertainment, wrestling, radio here at Busted Open.
Now, I gotta be honest. If they don't have your part of Monday Night Football, they're fucking fools. You are one hot, talented son of a bitch.
There you go, Dave.
Appreciate that. Thank you. He's much better at football than I was, though. Here's the deal. So I don't resonate well with the suits in most places, okay? This goes back to my girls in elementary school, hated by the principal, hated by the teachers. High school, the same thing. I think at West Virginia, Rich Rodriguez, my coach, hates everything about me. I get to the Colts, general manager literally wants me to quit instead of continue to play with the team. Suits hate me, and at ESPN, I believe the yuppies that are up at the top are not big fans. Yuppies! From Pittsburgh, so that's okay with me. Just continue my own lane being an internet guy and selling whatever the fuck I want on a very regular basis.
Being a good football player, I saw you, come on, 2 days ago, kick a 45-yard field goal. I mean, and it was dead center.
Yeah, we're talking right down Sackville.
You still got it.
Still got it. I mean, I think if I ever get back into kicking footballs, it'll be in the field goal kicking realm instead of punting because it could help build a Hall of Fame resume one day. But I don't want to get back in that NFL routine, Mark. I like the vitamins way too much, man.
Well, Pat, let me ask you, because you played at an extremely high level in the NFL, and you performed in some major games
right before you go live. Like, hey, what you're about to do right now, people are going to see. It's that same feeling you probably get for the radio show, like, hey, there's no fuck-ups here, like, let's do it, let's go for it. That football experience from that's kind of what I miss most of. It's like, hey, we're about to go on the field, a big miss could cost everybody a lot of money, gamblers, fantasy football owners, my teammates, coaches, and I kind of miss that feeling, but the pre-show is very much like that. It's like, here we go, a lot of people have no idea who I am about to see this, let's not fuck it up.
But you know, it's hard to mess it up when you're as exposed as you are. And that's the thing that works in radio and that works in television. If you can turn the camera on and people are not, they might shake, they might roll a little bit, but they're damn sure not going to rap. Oh, you're gonna turn the camera on, turn the microphone on, and let me go. Don't put a leash on me. Let me say what I want to say, and the way that I say it, it will resonate with the people. Yeah! That's what I get when I hear you. I see you on the internet playing any kind of game that's a game. I mean, what's the guy's name that you shoot your video with, that you beat the hell out of all the time? Fox. Who needs to quit? Yeah, Fox. Yeah, Fox needs to be a part of the 10-year anniversary party. Congratulations.
Before we say goodbye, there's a lot of thank you. Thank you to Izzy for being the most back and Busted Open Nation member. Thank you to Violetta for letting everybody taste the Baroni for God's sake. Thank you to Stig Sabo, Dalton Castle, Eric Bishop, Nick Aldis, Dave Madonna, Jim Ross, Dan Soder, David Arquette, Pat McAfee, our engineers, Tom McDonald, Justin, Charlie, Boyd, and Chris, our marketing team, Lauren Buck, Sam Cass, and Lexi, our promotion team, Dooley Watts, the great Dooley Watts, and Michael Barron, our PR team, Andrew for Patrick, and Kevin Brothers, great security, Habanero Blues for letting us host this party here, the Boss, Steve Cohen, Alex Betts, our producer, Mother Marissa, Hot Team Kevin, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'll give her a thank you anyway, Gabby, Doug Morton, Mark Henry, Mark Henry, Mark Henry, one last time, Mark Henry, Tommy Greenberg, we showed up for 30 minutes, and of course, you, the Busted Open Nation. Busted Open chant. Busted Open! Busted Open! Busted Open! Busted Open! Busted Open! Busted Open!
Guys, there's a lot of names on that list, but there was one that was left off. And that is Dan!
Without getting Doug Mortman and Mother Marissa on stage. You two gotta get on stage. Hot Take Campbell in the back. But Mother Marissa, thank you for everything. I'm a headache to deal with. Bowling Green's a deal, though, headache to deal with. Mark Henry, not so much. Doug Mortman, amazing. Amazing the lovely Violetta for letting soft and wet. TMI. You know, we started the show as fans, and now look what we've got here after guests. Steve Cohen here, Steve Cohen here, Boss Cohen, Steve here.
Did he leave?
He's not here, he left. He walked out.
So I just texted Steve Cohen. I was all excited. I was finally done with all the work of running all these guests, and then guess what happened? He's out of here already. But you know what? He showed up and he is so impressed by the Busted Open Nation. You guys, you don't know how hard we work on this show. Don Portman, who's the VP of Sports Operations, helped make this possible. And man, thank you guys for
amazing job. He did an amazing job. I can't believe Gabby back in studio actually kept us on the air for 2 hours. I know that's hard to struggle. I love Gabby.
She made that video. That video.
Yes, Gabby made that video.
She nailed it.
Because she thought it was from our camera. That's why.
And I'll get like a shout out on the air to all the technical team, Charlie, and everybody. But Marissa,
yes, you did a great job. No, but I thank you, the Busted Open Nation.
Orton Styles. Let's go RKO.
You got who do you got?
RKO, baby.
That's what I'm talking about. So you got Randy Orton. I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
So listen, Becky, Ronda, or Charlotte?
Becky, for sure.
Becky Lynch. Everybody got Becky over here, man. What do you got?
Becky, 100%.
Becky Lynch, fan favorite. We're keeping it moving here. You guys enjoying Busted Open?
Oh yeah, it's the best. We love it. We love it.
Guys, nice. South Carolina. I gotta ask you, military?
No.
Yeah, I have brother. Oh yeah, my brother. He's from Buford. He was in Marine. He's still down there. Camp Lejeune. Oh man, hey, listen. Enjoy your time, guys. Enjoy your time.
Sure. Thank you.
Over here, Busted Open, baby. Yeah. Golden Girls singing a duet right now live. Get it over there. Get that record. Yeah, let's go.
Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true. You're a proud and a confidant. And if you threw a party, invited everyone you knew, you would see the biggest gift waiting for me, and the heart attack would say, thank you for being a friend. Hey, how you doing, Busted Open Nation? Come on!
Dude, congratulations, brother. What a beautiful day for your celebration. And I just only hope that if you made the deal, that you made it with the Most High and not with the devil. Real son. All right. Yeah. Can I do this one for you guys one time? Hey, hey. The busted open in your party. Rolling along. Breaking down the microphone, singing a little song. So do yourself a favor. Get these vibes in on your ear. The #1 wrestling radio show, rocking that 10th year. We're talking Dreamer, Billy Ray, and Mark Henry. My main man, Dave LaGreca, and Doug Morgan back in the day. The busted open 10-year party, rolling along. The busted open 10-year party, rolling along. Let's keep it rolling along.
After their concert. Come on, and blow you away. Get some head! Get some head! Get some head! Get some head!
Outrageous. Well done. Wow, unbelievable. Absolutely incredible. I mean, hell, look, I even got a shirt out of it. They were tossing shirts around there. I was right near the front at one point where they were filming this as well. And it was amazing. Got a little pic with LaGreca as well. Wish I could have had more time to talk to him, maybe even interview him, but it was just so congested in there, and everybody wanted to get their opportunity to talk and see Dave as well. So I'm not going to be that selfish, and we'll save that for another time. But I hope you guys enjoyed not only that party, but the footage that I had for you. Big shout out to Dave LaGreca, Bully Ray, Tommy Dreamer, Mark Henry, and the whole entire Busted Open crew, and especially Violetta LaGreca for those pierogies that we all enjoyed. Big shout out to everybody, all the fans. I'm going to see you guys. If you want, please subscribe below to this channel, Taking On TV. We have a lot of other things coming on this channel. It's not only WWE related. We have indie organizations. You're going to see MLW, Impact. It's a little bit of everything for everybody. So hopefully you enjoyed the footage I had for you guys out there. And stay tuned. WrestleMania is tonight. It should be a doozy. That main event, Charlotte, Becky, and Ronda. I cannot wait. Once again, thank you to the Busted Open Radio station and fans. And I got to say, 10 years, let's make it 20, 30, 40, and beyond. Looking forward to the next 10 years, Dave. Thank you very much.